Happy morning, everyone. I hope you are enjoying your holiday. Today, we are going to learn the prepositions. So, let's see what's the preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relationship to another word in the sentence. It helps us to understand where something is, when something is happening. First type of preposition is preposition of place, which indicates the position of a person or object. Understood? It shows the position of the object or a person. So let's see the examples of the prepositions. The boy is behind the tree. The dog is sitting next to the bench. The car is in front of the house. The children are playing near the house. These are the examples which shows the prepositions of place. Next type of preposition is prepositions of time. It specifies time related details. It shows time, day, date or period of an action. So at first, the first example, we will leave at 7 p.m. It shows when we will leave the place. Next example, her birthday is in July. Here, the specific month is emphasized. Third example, he has been here since morning. So in this example, the period of a day it is mentioned. Let's see few more examples of prepositions. I wake up at 6 o'clock. At, it's a preposition. Another example, I play cricket on Sunday. On, it's the preposition. Next example, I study in the morning. In, it's a preposition. Next type of preposition is preposition of direction or moment. It tells us where someone or something is going or in which direction it moves. Understood? It tells us about the moment or the direction of object or a person. Let's see some examples of this type of preposition. The boy is going to school. To, it's the preposition of direction or moment. Next example, she goes into the class. Into is the preposition. Another example, the cat jumps out of the box. Out of, it's a preposition. The boy climbs up the stairs. Up, it's the preposition. The ball rolls across the hill. Across, it's a preposition. The ball rolls down the road. Down, it's the preposition. Next type of preposition is preposition of cause, reason, or purpose, used to indicate why something happens. It answers the question why. So let's see some examples of this type of preposition. First, the boy went home due to illness. Here, due to it's the preposition. Another example, she studies hard for getting success. For its a purpose, why she studied. Third example, the match was cancelled because of rain. Because of, it shows the cause. Next type of preposition, that's compound preposition. Compound prepositions are formed by combining a preposition with another word, or it's combining two or more words are used like a single preposition. For example, in front of, because of, due to, instead of. So let's see these words in sentences. First example, the teacher is standing in front of the class. So here, in front of, it's the preposition, compound preposition. Another example, the match was cancelled because of rain. Because of, it's the preposition. Third example, he was absent due to illness. Due to, it's a preposition. Next example, she drank juice instead of water. Instead of, it's the preposition. And last example, he succeed in spite of difficulties. In spite of, it's the preposition. So here it was the topic preposition and its types. I hope you enjoyed the lecture. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends for such kind of interesting videos. Thank you so much.